Can Phil help? Phil the whale saw sad fish. They can't pick a gift for Chad. Don't you think a shell is a good gift? One fish said. Read the story. Highlight the two contractions. Fetch the chalk, Phil said. The fish put the chalk by Phil. He helps sketch a round graph. Is a shell a good gift? Highlight the four words with the ch sound, spelled ch or tch. 2 fish said no. 3 fish said yes. Phil and the graph help. Chad likes his gift. Underline the two words with the f sound spelled ph.